as a young guy in the antiques business, I never would have been able to get anywhere near buying a pair of Georgian chests like this. They would have been many tens of
We just wouldn't have been
thousands of
allowed to buy them,
No,
David.
no,
You and I as youngsters, you see, you back in your box.
No, exactly. Off you go.
Yeah.
And they'd be sold by
Yeah.
a guy wearing a dicky bow and you know, looking down.
Yeah, probably in
through his
Bruton Street.
Yeah. Okay, so I lust after them. I think they're gorgeous. I think they're delicious. Date-wise, late 18th?
Yeah,
Yeah.
1780, maybe 1760.
Charlie,
Because they're George II rather than George III.
Right,
With the
okay.
OG foot.
Oh, okay,
But
okay.
do zoom in, and the original gilding, but look at the back on here.
Oh, look at that.
Now, these handles here
So this
are
is a
very
brushing
reminiscent,
slide, isn't it?
very reminiscent of Chippendale furniture. Now, there's a thing that a lot of people talk about, and I personally just don't altogether go there. They've got the red wash underneath, original.
Oh, yes,
And they've
yes.
always talked about that red wash being Chippendale
Right.
workshops.
Yes, yeah.
I'm not saying they are. I
Okay.
don't think they are. I think they're probably by someone else.
Okay.
But I've had hundreds of Serpentine chests. I have never ever owned a pair as good. Now, if you, for your viewers, look at the way they've used the timber in the top here and here. They are just as good as it gets.
Yeah.
With a lovely finish.
That is such a good colour. Nice backboards as well, which look original to me. You see, this is something that I think is a good tip for the viewers as well, to always inspect the back of a piece of furniture, because
Absolutely.
it will tell you as much as the front, sometimes more.
Yeah.
They look absolutely bang on to me. Right, I would so love to have those. I mean, just the shape of, I mean, just they're so tactile, Charlie, aren't they?
Absolutely. These would have been made for a heck of a house.
Oh,
wouldn't they?
gosh.
Wealthy,
Oh,
wealthy
gosh.
man.
Oh, gosh. Okay, hit us with a price.
They're £80,000, the pair.